Hi, welcome to the Aloha model at Latitude Margaritaville. My name is Anthony and I'm going to take you on a little tour today. The Aloha model is our largest floor plan in the cottage series. It has some great features, starting with the kitchen first. It has the living room off to the right and the dining room off to the left. It's very open, lots of natural light, and great volume in the cathedral ceiling. One of the great features about this home is the entry door also has a second entry to the patio. So there's two ways in and out of this home, unlike the rest of the cottages. There's some other great features, but probably the coolest is right over here. Follow me. This is that really cool area of the house I was talking about. So in the back of the home, you've got the bedroom 2, bath 2, laundry room, and this great sitting area that can be an office, a separate living room, has tons of possibilities. Additionally, the garage comes in from the back, so when you have guests, even extended guests, they can have this half of the house and you can have your sanity on the other side. Thank you for joining me today on this tour of the Aloha. Please visit latitudemargaritaville.com for further information. We hope to see you soon.